On a typical job site, we are taking up various debris from sawdust to wet mud and other things like drywall dust. I was impressed for that little battery for what it actually can do compared to much larger vacuums that are actually powered by 110.
The power was impressive. It does a really good job. We use it on a lot of different stuff. It varies from dust, sawdust, rocks actually. I can't stress enough about the size and the weight. For us, it's key. You always have a place to put it because it's not big, it's not bulky. It fits exactly where it needs to fit.
Smaller is always better, but I can't sacrifice suction and or power to go with it.
One thing that we love about the vac is it is probably one of the quietest, if not the quietest vac out there. When we're quiet, everybody else around us is happy. It has to be small, it's got to be light, but it has to perform. And like every other Milwaukee tool, this is no different. It does an awesome job.